Hi, welcome to part 1 of my video series for my MongoDB Easy Install tool. The first part is just going to be a quick demonstration. In the next part of the video it will be a full walkthrough of the tool, and then the last part will be a walkthrough of the source code. So if we take a look at the control panel, we can see that MongoDB is not installed. So what you need to do is simply create a directory where you would like it installed, obviously on your local system, and then just simply download the MSI file for MongoDB, which you can download from here, which is mongodb.com/download, and then obviously download my installer tool as well, which is written in batch script. So once you have it all in that directory, you need to make sure both are in the directory, and you need to make sure the MSI file is called MongoDB. Then just simply run the batch script, and if we take a look at the directory, you can see it's being populated, and then the command prompt gives you some messages. As you can see, the directories were created. Now it's installing MongoDB, and if we take a look, the directory is being populated with some content. Now it's setting up MongoDB. It's created a log file and a config file, and now it's setting up the service for Windows, and once the service is set up, it will start MongoDB shell. And if we put in DB, you can see our test database comes up. Once we're done, we can just simply exit, and it will go back to the batch script again, and this time it will just finish it off and stop the service. And of course, you'll be given a message which will redirect you to the Bitbucket and GitHub repositories where you can basically download the tool. So there you have Bitbucket, and here you have GitHub. So right now it's not updated, but I will update it by the time this video is completed. Now, one last thing, if we go back to the miscellaneous folder within our MongoDB installation directory, you can see there's another batch script that was populated by the initial batch script. This one's very important as well, because it allows you to use it as a button, and you can just simply move it anywhere within your local system. See, it still works even if I move it from the desktop. So that pretty much concludes the video. In the next part, I will be basically walking you through the directories, all the stuff that's set up, and I'll actually start from scratch and show you how to download MongoDB, which is pretty straightforward. And then for the last part, I'm going to show you what's under the hood, which is basically the source code that was written for the initial batch script, which creates all of this installation and setup as well. Anyway, this is for my secondary channel. If you want to check out my main tech channel, which is Kingsley.tech channel, you can just simply search that on YouTube. There will be a link in the description as well.